throughout all of that, we've still got a Cherokee Nation Supreme Court. Even across the Trail of Tears, we find the nation reincarnating itself. So let me ask you, if we could shift gears for just a minute. What kind of cases does the Supreme Court hear these days? What does your day look like?
The most cases are very routine matters, not very exciting, I have to say. I'm happy and honored to serve, but employment cases, workman's comp cases, disputes between the chief and the tribal council over who has authority to do what.
You've seen a couple of those, I guess.
Yes, a few of those. The things that do become sort of exciting sometimes, and I think the most challenging one I've dealt with in my short time in the court, we had this election in 2011 that was, for the principal chief, that was so close it was hard to call. We had to physically recount all the ballots.
A couple of times, as I recall.
Yeah, and it was so close, and there were just a few, percentage-wise, it still made a difference. We couldn't figure out who won, so there had to be another election, and it was very close also. And so that was physically challenging. It ran to late nights. There are photos of the building behind us. I saw them come up on Facebook somewhere with the lights glowing in the windows, which is kind of unusual. And I saved one. I thought, this is a memento.
You're really working for your money that season. Well, I wonder if we might talk a little bit about one of your most challenging cases. And if we could, maybe we could take a trip inside and you could show us what goes on inside of the beautiful building.
Sure, we'll go in. It hasn't been remodeled yet. As soon as the court gets a new courthouse, we're going to move out, and they're going to bring this back to the condition it was in the 1880s or 90s, right before statehood.
Oh,
when the chief's office was there, the treasurer's office, and the high court sat there. They had moved from the old Supreme Court building by that time. But anyway, the most interesting one was when the tribal council reapportioned itself into 15 districts. And one group of counselors said, golly, we don't think this meets the criteria for reapportionment, and we had to study that all out and sort that out. And I wrote a minority opinion, but it was a very interesting process for me. And with that, let's go in the house.
All right,
okay.
Sounds great.
All
Thanks.
Right.